How to change vehicle in the Uber driver application. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can quickly change your vehicle using the Uber driver app. The first is there's no actual option for you to be able just to simply switching into a different vehicle. This must be sent a request into the support. So if you go ahead and pull up the Uber driver application, same option that you'll be seeing right now is you will be redirected into the Uber support. So for that, just simply open up your Uber driver application and head into Help Center and Support tab, and then choose on updating your vehicle. From here, if you would like to just simply change the vehicle color, just choose on the first one. But if you would like to change the whole vehicle itself, then simply choose on Manage Vehicles. Now tap on the menu button three lines at the top left of your application. Go into the account vehicles. From there, you should be able to see option that says Add Vehicle. Now it's going to be the same thing that you newly registered your vehicle into. Just provide complete required information such as the account registration of the vehicle, the name registered into it, and so on and so forth. Just the general information. Upload any required documentation and photos, and then just wait for the support to get back to you to confirm. And that's it. That's how you change vehicle in the Uber driver app.